Apex Home Solution. Um, just wanted to put out this video to let you know a little bit about what you're going to be learning in this course. So basically, I'm a wholesaler. I go ahead and find the property. I I make a good deal with the seller, and then I assign my interest in the property for a fee. Sometimes those fees are 5,000 bucks. Sometimes the fees are 30,000 bucks. It really depends on the deal itself. Every deal is different. So that's a little bit about what we do. I mean, I've been doing it for around 2 years now. As of right now, we're pushing anywhere between 5 to 10 properties a month. And yeah, so far so good. All the information that you're gonna get here is information and strategies that I'm personally using to generate these leads and actually get deals sold. Um, None of this is gonna be fluff. This is actionable. This is all implementable strategies that you should be using. And yeah, that's basically it. As far as these files right here. So first off, there's always 5 steps. There's actually 4 steps to a wholesale deal. You're gonna start off with marketing, then you're gonna go lock it up. No, first you start off with marketing. You're gonna evaluate the deal. You're gonna lock it up, and then you're gonna get it sold. I do have processes and systems file as well, and that's basically gonna give you an idea of how to organize your leads. And yeah, that's basically what this wholesale course is gonna entail. I show you how to evaluate multifamily, single family land. I got a multifamily deal analyzer here that you can take a look at. It's much easier to analyze because you're talking with multifamily. You're talking about it's an income. It's an income producing property. So everything is based off how much money it makes and it could make. Um, and yeah, that's basically evaluation of deals, locking it up. You're gonna have interested seller call recordings. You're gonna have not interested seller call recordings, assignment forms, blank contracts, cold call scripts, explaining the contract, negotiation scripts, and marketing. Of course, this as a beginner, I do think that you should start off with cold calling. I started off with cold calling 2 years ago, and that's exactly how I got my first deal. You really have to get into the mindset of and these type of conversations with talking with homeowners and whatnot. And the more people you call, the more confidence you're gonna gain, and that's beautiful. I mean, you could always start off with direct mail, but do I recommend it? No, because you're gonna get flooded with phone calls, and you're not gonna know how to handle the leads. So I always think it's best to start off wholesaling, cold calling, because you're getting a good idea of what a homeowner is looking for in an investor. How to actually talk to an investor, and I have everything. I have all that right here. I mean, you got interested seller calls, I got not interested seller calls. So you're gonna get a good idea of how does this normal conversation go when talking with these wholesale, or talking with these homeowners. Um, so that's marketing. The processes and system. This is basically Podio, and your auto dialer. Because if you're so Podio is basically a CRM. It's called that stands for a customer relation management system. It goes ahead and it organizes everything. So this is where we have this is where everything, all our business is organized in. So we have seller leads, transactions, appointments, sales, cash buyers, title companies, sales offers, team members, goals, drive for dollars. So in the processes and systems file, I'm going to show you how to actually go ahead and how to go ahead and set up your Podio account. And you could go ahead and implement some of these apps. You could input these apps into your account, so it could be more organized. So if you want to have a cash buyers app, then cool, then make an app. That's it. And you grab there's a web form that you could that every app gives you, where you could just shoot that link out there on a group and get buyers like that. And there's an app for, I mean, there's a web form for your seller leads. There's a web form for everything. For drive for dollars, there's a web form for every single app. That's if you want a web form. But yeah, I mean, we only use a web form for, what is it, seller leads, cash buyers, sales offers from cash buyers, of course, and drive for dollars. So that's really the only time that we use a web form. Um, and yeah, and the processes and systems you're going to learn about uh, Zencall. So if you go to allindialer.com, you're gonna get a special pricing from my mentors. They do that for 90 bucks. So yeah, they do that for 90 bucks a month, and you know, it organizes your leads, and and yeah, that's basically it. It organizes your leads and lets you call a lot of people. So for that, for the all-in dialer, that's a little bit more complicated, but I am going to give you a insight of what ours looks like. And the selling the property file, that's basically how you sell a property. You know, self-explanatory. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Thanks for joining the course, and yeah, just shoot me an email, or if you have any questions, or if you want to set up a consultation with me at a fee, of course, nothing outrageous. My email is apexinvest954 at gmail.com. So let me know what you guys think, and you guys have a good one.